Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how to do bank reconciliation statement using Power Query. So my strategy will be like this. First, I will load cashbook and bank statement on Power Query editor. Then I'll get the total of receipts and payments using group by dates. Then I'll make connection of cashbook and bank statement query. Then I will get unique dates from cashbook and bank. Then I'll make a separate table and query for date. Then I will merge query of date with cashbook and bank. I will extract table of cashbook and bank book. I'll extract receipts and payment date wise. Then I will take a difference of receipt as per cashbook and receipt as per bank statement, and I'll find the date difference, and I'll take action against them so that my bank balance as per cash book will tally with bank balance as per bank statement. So without wasting time, let us start. So this is my cash book, and I'll load this cash book. For that I'll use data from table. Power Query editor is open. I will change name of the query as cash book. I will delete all null values. I'll convert data type as a date. Then this receipt and payment, wherever null value is there, we'll change it to 0. For that I'll use transform, replace value, then value to find will be null and replace with 0. Saying OK. Now I will use this group by command, and my column name will be date, and new column name will be receipt, and second one will be payments, and operation will be sum, and in first column I'll select receipt, and in second column I'll select payment. So I'll get date wise receipts and payment amount, and I'll say okay. My cash book is ready. I'll close and load to. I'll create connection. Same way I will do it for bank statement. I have prepared bank statement query which is similar to cash book query. Now we need to get unique dates from cash book and bank book. So what I'll do, I'll select date, get data, combine query, and append. I'll append both the queries. We have two queries. So first table will be cash book and second table will be bank statement. I'll say okay. Now data is ready. I don't want another any other columns. So I'll remove other columns. I'll delete duplicate dates, and now we have these unique dates. I will change the query name as Rico. I will merge this query with my cash book. I will select date from Rico. I'll put control button, and I'll again select date from cash book. I'll use left outer join. I'll say okay. I will click this double headed column. I don't want dates. I want only receipts and payment. Okay. So we have cash book receipts and cash book payment. Again, I will merge the query. Now I will use bank statement as my second query. I will select date from RICO. I'll select date from bank statement. I'll use left outer join. Say OK. Again, I will click this double-headed column. I don't want dates. Okay. So we have bank statement receipts and bank statement payments. Now we have four columns, two receipts and two payments. Now we want to know what is the difference as per cash book receipts and bank statement receipt. But if you see in the cash book, there are this null value. So you cannot do total or any arithmetical uh, uh, calculation. So what I'll do, I'll select all the columns and under transform, I'll use replace value and I'll convert all null value into zero value so that we can do calculation. Now we'll take cash book receipts minus bank book receipts, bank statement receipts, and I'll use add column. In a standard, I'll select subtract. I got a difference in receipts. Now I'll take difference of payment. So I'll select cash book payment and bank statement payments. Again, I'll use add column, then subtract, then I'll change the name as difference payment, and now this my work is over. I come to know the difference reasons why there is a difference. I'll close and load the data. My data is loaded. Now here I have prepared a bank reconciliation statement where I put cash book balance and bank statement columns, and I found a difference of 2,49,000. If I use this power query working, I'll do one thing. I'll just take the total of difference receipts and total of difference payment, and we'll see what is the difference between these two. It's 2,49,942. Difference is matching. Now how to check or how to do the adjustment? So what I'll do, I'll on 21st May, cash book receipts is 1,33,000, whereas bank statement shows 3,89,000. So there is a additional any entry on 21st May. So I'll go to bank statement, and on 21st May, there is a entry of 2,50,000 which may not be appeared in cash book. So here I'll check 21st May, 2,50,000 entry is not there. So I'll insert the day and I'll put date as 21st, and here I'll put 2,50,000. I don't know what the nature of entry, so I'll put as a suspense account, and I'll go to RICO and refresh the query. This 2,50,000 is gone. Now in 12 June, as per cash book, 177 rupees is there. And if you see on 31st May, the same entry is appearing. So, as per bank statement, this 177 entry is on 31st May, but we have entered on 12th June. So, we'll go to cash book, and on 12th June, this 177 rupees entry will change the date, and the our correct date will be mm, 31st May. So I'll copy and I'll paste here. Then I'll go to here. I'll refresh the query. Entry is gone. Now there is a entry of 17 rupees 70 paise as per bank statement on 12 June. So bank statement 12 June. This 17 rupees. This entry is not accounted in cash book. So on 12th June, we'll make one entry. So I'll just enter date as 12th June, and I know it's a bank charges, so I'll 17 rupees 70 paise, and I will refresh. Now there is no difference. As far as bank statement is, balance is 10,026, and cash book balance, let me refresh, cash balance is also 10,026. So this way you can do reconciliation. I hope you like this video. In case of any difficulty or any issue, kindly write to me on ask to ca satish at gmail.com. Thank you, friends.